Okay. Hello. So our extra credit part of the game, we added win and lose mechanics. So the objective of our game is essentially to collect all the random flowers, and once all of them are collected, the player is able to win the game. But we also added like health mechanics, where the player is given 5 lives, and whenever they try to like walk into a wall, um, a life is lost. And so once they lose a certain amount of lose those 5 lives, then they lose the game. And one other element that we tried to add in was adding like encouraging words each time a life is lost. So the overall objective of the game is to like win and collect the flowers before you lose all of your lives. Yeah, so that's a brief overview. And so now we'll be showing a quick demo.
Yeah, so this is what we see in like the main menu before we start a game. Then I can just press N and create a new game. And as we can see here, so we have our three main features. The first one is our health. We can see here in the top left that we have 5 lives remaining at the start of the game. And as Crystal said, whenever you run into a wall, so if I press W right now and try to go up, the lives remaining goes down to 4. And then you also saw briefly one of like our second creative mechanic, which was that when you run into a wall, it says 1 life lost, and it also gives you a nice encouraging phrase to help you hopefully do better. And then the third one is that there are a random number of flowers. There's at least as many flowers as there are rooms that have been spawned in the game, and the objective is to collect all the flowers. So we see right now in the HUD it says that there are 6 flowers, and when I run into one, now we have 5, and the flower just disappears. So first I can just show what happens when you win the game. So collecting all the different flowers. And each time in the HUD, the number of flowers remaining decreasing. Okay, so I collected all the flowers and it tells me that I won, all the flowers were collected. After this, let me just run it one more time. Do another new game. You can see the flowers are in a different random spot. This time there's 10 flowers. Last time I think there were 6 or so. Same thing with the lives lost. And now I'll just collect some flowers, but lose all my lives. You can see there's a different word of encouragement every time. And now I have no lives remaining because I ran into a wall 5 times and the game is over. And yeah, so this functionality it still works with replay and loading the game as well. So that's kind of our extra credit version of the game.
All right. Thank you.